So hi all, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss about the intercompany transaction configuration and also how we can do the posting. So the intercompany transaction means the transaction between a different company code, which is having the same chart of accounts. So here we will be doing the transaction between the two company codes 1790 and also 1795. So we can take the two scenarios, that is, if the payment for the one company has been made by the another company, and also the amount has been received by one company on behalf of the another company. So here will be the first scenario is the rent of the company code 1790 is paid by the company code 1795. By that time the normal entry is rent account debtor to cash. After doing this configuration, it will be reflected like this: in the company code 1790 rent account debtor to the company payable. It will be a current liability, and also in the company code 1795 the entry will be the company receivable 1790 account debtor to cash. This will be a current asset. And also in the scenario 2 will be if the commission for the company code 1790 is received by the company code 1795. So at this time the normal entry will be cash account debtor to commission received. After doing this configuration, it will be reflected like this: in the company code 1790 the company receivable 1795 commission received. And the same way, the company code 1795 it will be as cash account debtor to intercompany payable 1790. So first of all, I will do one thing. I will create these two company codes having the same chart of account. So for these two company codes, I will take the details from the company code ALLO. So for that, I will first go to /OBY6, where I will see the details of the company code ALLO. What is the chart of account details, like that I have to see. Okay, here I will select ALLO. Okay, this is the one. So this is my chart of accounts, and this is the field status variant and posting period variant, and also the fiscal year variant. So I have to give these details. Okay, so I will give these details. The chart of accounts as ALLO. So now I will assign this. I will assign these details to my two company codes. I'm going to create the two company codes. For that, I will go to the transaction code OX02. Here I will give new entries. My company code is 1790. My company name AB Technologies I will give, and country India, and the currency INR, and the language English. Okay, I will save this. Here I will give more details. Company ABC, Okay, after this I will save this. And now I will create the company code 1795. Okay, I will go back here again, new entries. I will create the company code 1795. I will give ABC Technologies and the country India, currency INR, and also language EN. So this I will save this, and the title company. Okay, now I will assign the chart of accounts to these two company codes. For that I will go to session OBY6. Here I will select my two company. The first one is 1790. Okay, here I will assign the chart of accounts, that is ALLO, and the field status variant is ALL5, and also the posting period variant is M200, and the fiscal year variant is M2. Okay, after this I will save this. Now I will give the tolerance limit for these two company codes, so both for the users and the vendors and customers. So I will be giving the limit to OBA3 and also OBA4. Okay, so first I will give OBA3. First company code is 1790. Tolerance for 1790. I will give the permitted payment difference. Okay, same I will define for the company code 1795. Okay, after this I will save this. Now I will go to OBA4. So my company code, first company code is 1790, and I will define here the limit. Okay, after this I will save this. Okay, so the data was saved. Now we will create the journal. We will create the journal ledgers. Okay, so for this we have to create the rent account in the company code 1790, and also the intercompany payable account 1795, and same way we have to create the general ledger for intercompany receivable 1790 in 1795 company code, also cash account. Same way we have to create the general ledgers for intercompany receivable 1795 in the company code 1790, and also the commission received, and also in the company code 1795 I have to create the cash account and also the intercompany payable 1790. So for that, I will create this GL account. I will go to the transaction code FS00. So okay, I will first create the run account, which is in the company code 1790. Okay, so I will maintain the run account as 4006. Okay, so here I will create run account 4006. Okay, create. I will give the account group. Okay, I will give the yield status group. After, I will save this. Okay, next, which account I have to create? This Intech company payable account. Okay, 1795. So for this, I will give 2706. Okay, here it is a current liability. So I will give the company payable 1795. Okay, and after I will go to control data, only balances in local currency, line item display, and I will give the sort key and create bank interest. And here I will give the yield status group, and I will here I will click post automatically only. Okay, so after this it will be the new entry will be formed. Okay, after this I will save. So okay, we have created this account. Now we will create, so 2706 is for intercompany payable 1795. Okay, now we will see which all GL accounts we have to create. So next, in the company code 1795 we have to create intercompany receivable 1790. okay, and also cash account. So here I will create 1706 and in the company code 1795. Okay, this is for the intercompany receivable. Okay, I have not defined the chart of accounts for the company code 1795. So I will go to /n OBY6. So here I will select 1795. Okay, and here I will assign the chart of accounts and fiscal year variant, which is M2, and the field status variant, which is ALL5, and also the posting period variant, which is M200. Yes, after I will save this. Okay, now I will create this. Okay, so I am going to create intercompany receivable. Okay, so this is a current asset. The company receivable 1790. Okay, I will go to control data. Only balances in local currency, line item display, and I'll give sort key and create bank interest. And here field status group, I'll give C001 and I will give post automatically only. And after this, I will save this. Okay, now, so let me save this. So this is in the company code 1795. Okay, the company receivable 1790. Okay, and next we have to create the cash account. Okay, so for this I will maintain as 1711. Okay, after this I will create field status group and in the control data only balances in local currency, line item display, and also sort key. And here I will give the short text cash. Okay, after I will save this. So 1711 for cash. The same way we'll see what all accounts we have to maintain. So in the second scenario, the company code 1790 we have to maintain intercompany receivable 1795. Okay, so for the intercompany receivable I will give 1707 and the company code is 1790 and then create this is current account, current asset, okay. The company receivable 1795 and then in the control data only balances in local currency, line item display, and in the sort key I will give and create bank interest. Field status group I will give G001 and here I will give post automatically only and after this I will save this. So 1707 so 1707 has been created. This is intercompany receivable 1795. Okay. Now we have to create commission received account. Okay. So for this I will give 3010 create and this will be revenues, profit and loss account statement and then I will give commission received okay only balances in local currency, line item display G00001 and in the create bank interest I will give G001 after I will save this. So 30104 for commission received. So cash account we have already created here for in the 1795. So here we will create the intercompany payable. Okay. So I will create as 2707. Okay, create and then the account group is current liability, short text, intercompany payable 1790. Okay, this in the balance sheet, control data, only balances in local currency, line item display and 001 and create bank interest. Field status I will give G001. Now I will save the. So okay, so we have created all the real accounts. Now we will try to configure this. Okay, for that we have to go to the transaction code OB by A. So this is the GL account we have created for intercompany payable 1790. Okay. Now we will go to OBYA. Okay. So our first company code is 1790 and the company code 2 is 1795. So here you will be able to see this in the posted code 1790. There is receivable and payable, and for the company code 2 also there is receivable and payable. So here debit posting key. So the account debit will be so here we have to give intercompany receivable 1795. So for that 1707. Okay. So we have to give the GL account 1707. So in the credit posting 50, here we have to give intercompany payable 1795. So 2706. Okay. Then here debit posting key. Here it will be intercompany receivable 1790. For which what is the GL account? 1706. Okay. And in the credit posting, we have to give intercompany payable 1790. For which we have to give the GL account which is 2707. Okay. 2707 is the GL account we have created. Okay. After this, I will save this. Okay. Now we will try to post for the first scenario, which is the rent for the company code 1790 is paid by the company code 1795. So the normal entry will be rent account debtor to cash. This we will try to post. Okay. Okay. For posting, we have to go to the transaction code F-02. Okay. I will enter. I will give the date. Then I will give the account number, which is debit is rent account. So the account was 4006. I will give enter. So here saying that the no amount range entered for the company 1795. Okay, I will create for the company code 1795. Okay, I will save this and we will be posting for the company code 1790. Okay, I will enter. So here the number range 01 is missing. So I will maintain the number range for both these company codes. So for that I will go to the transaction code /OBA7. So this was the document type SA. I will maintain the number range. So I'll give my first company code 179001, the year 2020, number 1 to 1000, 10,000 I have created, and I will add this, and after this I will save this. Okay. Now I will create the number range for the company code 17952. So here also I will maintain the number range 01 for the year 2020 from number 1 to 10,000. Okay, I will maintain. We'll save this. Now we'll enter. We'll give the amount, posting key 50, which is cash account. So the cash account which we maintained was 1711. Okay, and you have to give the new company code which is 1795, through which the cash is paid. Okay, now I will enter and I will give the amount. Okay, I will enter. Now we will try to simulate. So here you will be able to see that this is the entry, and now we will pause this so that you will be able to get two document numbers. So I'm saving this. So this is the document number. Document number is one for both the company codes. I will give continue. So now we can see in FB03. Okay, I will give enter. This is the document number and this is the company code. Okay, so this is the entry. Rent account debtor to intercompany payable 1795. Rent account debtor to intercompany payable 1795. So in the 1795, the entry will be intercompany receivable 17902 cash account. We will see that. Go back and give the company code 1795. I will give enter. So this is intercompany receivable account debtor cash. Intercompany receivable account debtor to cash. So this is how you can do the intercompany. So in the same way, you will be able to post in the second scenario for the commission received. I think you all understood this concept, and if you like this video, please share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you.